I'm going to be showing you how to contact Cars.com's customer service and get help. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is actually access the website. So to do that, you just need to open any browser that you have. I'm going to be using Safari, but it's completely up to you what you choose. So just tap on the browser that you like. As you can see, Safari is right there at the top. Just go ahead and select it, and now you need to go to Cars.com. Wait for it to load and do a security verification, and as you can see, you're successfully in the website. So now what we need to do is find the option of support. So just scroll all the way down to contact customer service, but if you cannot find it, then now what we need to do is just type in contactcars.com support. And as you can see, this option is right there. Just go ahead on tap here. And now you can just tap on start chat and have a live chat. So this is the best and fastest method, and this is the primary support method they recommend. You can also try the email support. You can use specific emails depending on your issue. So if you have a billing help, then you can go to billing@cars.com. So if it's for reviews, then you can go to dealerreviews@cars.com. If it's for scam or fraud reports, you can go to fraud@cars.com. There's no single general email listed officially, so use the right one for faster help. You can also use their phone numbers and other reported support numbers that may vary. You can use a feedback form that is available on their contact page. You can use the feedback option. You'll have help centers and FAQs. Just check FAQs first so you'll get the fastest answers there. And it covers listings, selling cars, account issues. So there you go. That's how you contact Cars.com customer service. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.